First thing I have to do is do a review of my own predictions. So if it's green, I pretty much got it right. If it's yellow, I got part of it right. And if it's red, I got it wrong. So I'm going to move quickly through this because I got a lot to cover today. So I said the U.S. economy, there would be enormous cross currents in 25. Trump is inheriting a weakening economy with severe debt problems. Conversely, the enthusiasm of a pro-business president with deregulation, retaining lower tax rates are big positives. My guess is the economy will be lumpy with negative and positive prints and probably equal out at around 1.5%. Well, GDP has been lumpy. We started off with first quarter with a negative print. Second quarter came in with a pretty good print at 3.8%. Third quarter, we don't know. Why? Because the government's been shut down, so we don't have a lot of government data. But I think it's going to be positive by all indications. Fourth quarter, on the other hand, is looking like things are weakening a bit. Again, we don't know. Unemployment rate. Employment will weaken as the economy softens. Illegal immigrants are removed, and a significant increase in government jobs in 24 will reverse. And the unemployment rate will lift to about 4.7 to 5.1%. I got that partially right. There is, without question, the labor market is weakening, and I'm going to get into that. I'm going to talk a lot about it. The unemployment rate, though, has not gotten to that level. It went from 4% to 4.3%. But again, we don't have September, October, and we don't know what November, December's numbers will be. But I don't think we're going to get to the 4.7. My guess is we'll probably get up to 4.5. Interest rates. The Fed will cut rates throughout 25. It will not be in a linear progression. Inflation will be stickier. They may go a meeting or two without a cut. But overall, they'll cut by 75 to 125 basis points. Well, the Fed did start cutting rates. It hasn't been in a linear fashion. But they've only cut 50 basis points so far. But the future market's predicting another 25 basis point rate cut in December. So we'll probably get to the 75 basis point cuts that I mentioned. Fed balance sheet, they will reduce their quantitative tightening. I'll explain QE and QT just as a refresher later. In the first part of the year, and they'll stop quantitative tightening and may be forced to start buying treasuries by the end of the year. That is exactly what has happened. They slowed QT. They've announced that QT will stop in December, and they will actually acknowledge that they'll probably start buying treasuries again. U.S. equity markets.